problem where you want to search an image on your screen so badly, but you're using a base model iPad? Well, it's your lucky day, since in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can enable Circle to search on your iPad. See that? Now let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. First thing you want to do is open the App Store. Now, download Google. If an update is available, then do so. Now open Shortcuts. Tap the plus button to create a new shortcut. Now you want to go to the search bar and type screenshots. Now, add it. Now search image with lens. Now, add it. If you want, you could rename it. For me, I'll label it as Circle to Search. Now, to apply it, you want to go to Settings, then Accessibility. Now scroll down, then tap Touch, then Assistive Touch. Then customize top level menu. Now go ahead, add an icon, then search the name you labeled your shortcut. In my case, I labeled it as Circle to Search. Now, if you ever want to search an image, however you don't know the name of it, you can just go ahead and tap Assistive Touch, then search it. As simple as that. Debut by Katsai. Voila, here are the results. Now that's it for today's video, guys. If you find this video helpful,